Hello there. This is Shannon Bowdey with SLO Happy Homes. I'm at our fabulous listing at 1731 Pomeroy Road in gorgeous Aurora Grande. This property has so many amazing features. Let's go take a look. Okay, upon entering the driveway, you have all this beautiful, gorgeous pasture land on this almost 10-acre parcel of property. There is the possibility of doing lots of work. That's what you're interested in. I can give you more details. But there's a shared driveway. There's a home right here. But it's just a shared driveway. And all this side of the property on the left side belongs to the parcel we're selling at 1731 Pomeroy Road. Look at this gorgeous landscaping. This fully paved driveway. This gorgeous, gorgeous mid-century modern beautiful home. Sorry if I'm bouncing. Outside the home here, it's gorgeous views of Laetitia Hills and the winery. Here's the gorgeous landscaping in front. And here is the beautiful mid-century modern home that's open today and tomorrow. Come by and say hi to Amanda tomorrow at between 1 and 3 on Sunday. Right. Entering through this beautiful red door into this gorgeously, beautifully decorated home. There is a stunning mural here. Love that little turtle right there. That always draws me in. But let's see, let's go over here first. There's Amanda. Hi, Amanda.
Hi.
Are you going to be here on Sunday, November 6th?
Definitely, 1 to 3.
1 to 3 p.m. Come on by and see Amanda, and she'll be happy to show you this absolutely breathtaking mid-century modern home. You will not want to miss this one. It is a stunner and it won't last long. So let's take a little more of a look around. Here we go. Here is the sunroom. Wow. Okay. And then we're going to go look at the rest of the house and wait till you see the outside. Let's see. We're going to go down this hallway here. This is one bedroom with a Murphy bed in it. There's a closet. And then we already looked at this gorgeous hand-painted mural here. There's a nice bathroom here. This is a bedroom used as an office presently. And then there's this beautiful primary suite, lots of natural light. This, oh wow, this made me cry the first time I saw it. I love that mural. This bathroom is just so, so, so beautiful. It's such a private, beautiful oasis of a primary suite. And check this out. Look at this sunroom or art room. All this beautiful wood. And oh my goodness, the views. The views are so beautiful. So let's go see the outside. I want to show you some details in the gorgeous kitchen with all the updated, gorgeous stainless steel appliances. This is Galaxy granite. It has flecks of gold and red in it. And here in these cabinets, this is called alligator tears, this glass that's here. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And if that's not all for entertaining and having great dinners, let me show you some more. Going to the outdoor area, oh my goodness, look at that built-in spa. It has lights and jets. Absolutely stunning. There's a gas fire pit over there. Traeger, outdoor kitchen. This was all put in just 1 year ago. Full stove, dishwasher, microwave, full fridge, Traeger, party area. My goodness. This property goes on, but this is all fenced in here, this private area just to keep your dogs in. And look, there's own solar panels over there that powers the whole property for free electricity. And there's another fire pit over here. Just check this out. So if you want to see this stunning mid-century modern home on almost 10 acres of land in gorgeous Aurora Grande, come by Sunday, November 6th between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. and Amanda will be happy to show you around. Thank you for watching. This is Shannon Bowdey with SLO Happy Homes. You have a SLO Happy day.